Picture this: a nation divided, a family in mourning, and a legal battle playing out in a foreign court. The story of Zambia's late former president Edgar Lungu has taken a dramatic turn, and it all comes down to one burning question: where should he be laid to rest? I want to break it down for you because this isn't just about a burial. It's about law, tradition, politics, and the identity of a country. So here's what's happening. The Zambian government, represented by Attorney General Kabisha, has actually sued Lungu's family, his widow Esther, sister Bertha, his children, even his cousin and family lawyer. Why? Because the family wants to bury Lungu in Johannesburg, South Africa. The government, on the other hand, insists he must be buried at Embassy Park in Zambia, the official resting place for former heads of state. Kabisha is challenging the family and their lawyer to produce a will, something that clearly spells out Lungu's own burial wishes. To date, no such will has been found. And Kabisha's stance is clear. If there's no will, then under Zambian law and tradition, President Hakainde Hichilema has the final say. Now, this isn't just a power play. The law actually backs the government. Under the Benefits of Former Presidents Act, the state pays for presidential funerals, unless the former president is involved in active politics. Here's the twist. Lungu had signaled a return to politics, so his benefits stopped back in October 2023. Still, the law and national traditions say he should be buried with honors in his homeland. Customs matter here, too. In Zambia, the right to bury someone often falls to the deceased's siblings or the tribal chief. In this case, Lungu's own tribal head, Chief Mumbi, agrees with the government. Lungu should have a state funeral at Embassy Park. There's even precedent. Dr. Kenneth Kaunda, Zambia's founding president, was laid to rest there, despite his family's own wishes. The family apparently had agreed to this plan at first. Kabisha says, "You can't just change your mind now. The government has all the permits to bring Lungu's remains home, and they argue that a private burial in South Africa would be an insult to national dignity." But as always, politics are in play. Opposition parties accuse the government of seeking revenge or being disrespectful to Lungu's legacy. Kabisha warns that not granting a state funeral could spark unrest. The stakes couldn't be higher. It's a battle of law versus family wishes, tradition versus individual choice, and the legacy of a nation's leader hanging in the balance. All eyes now turn to the South African court, where this high-profile dispute will be heard on August 4th. So, what do you think? Who should decide where a former president is buried? The family, the state, or tradition? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the issues shaping our world.